Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel, youtube.com/PMCLounge. If you're watching this video on our YouTube channel, then consider subscribing. We are all about project management. We are all about PMP. And in this video, I'm taking up a comment that I received on one of our previous videos. And it reads, you will see it on your screen. It says, it is by Cookie Chim. And I'm assuming Cookie Chim is not your real name. But anyways, I'll call you Cookie. Hello, sir. Hello, Cookie. I completed my undergrad in computer science and engineering. I want to become a project manager. What step should I take now? Should I do MS MBA in project management or get some certifications? Please guide me, sir. Now, Cookie is basically a computer science engineer. Cookie does not have any work experience. That is my assumption because they have not mentioned it in the comment. And now Cookie is wondering how can he or she land the job of a project manager. So being a computer science engineer, it will be very difficult to get a job role that has the title of a project manager, to be very frank, because most of the companies out there would want you to have some amount of work experience in project management space before they hire you. So it totally depends. I mean, the answer to this question totally depends on your situation. Do you want to get a job right now or do you want to study further? If you must get a job right now, then I would say go ahead, get a job in the computer science field that you have done your engineering in. And I'm assuming you will either end up in the software industry or hardware IT industry somewhere, right? And when you land a job there as a computer science engineer, you can learn about the project that you're working on, learn about what project management is, learn about who the project manager is and what his or her job role looks like, what are his or her tasks that he or she performs on a daily basis, right? So you can get yourselves a job in the computer science field, try to understand projects, and then if you're still interested in project management, get yourselves the CAPM certification and try to move into the project management space. So that could be one option if you must get a job right now. If you want to get a job right now, that should be the path that you need to take. The second path that you can take is if you can afford to spend the time and invest the money that is required to obtain the MS or MBA master's degree, right? Then go ahead and get yourselves the MS or the MBA in computer science or in project management, something related to what you have done your engineering in, right? So that is something that you can pursue. With that, you can also pursue the CAPM certification. So while you're doing your MS or MBA, you can also get yourselves the CAPM certification by PMI, because CAPM certification does not require you to have any kind of work experience, right? So get yourselves your MS or MBA alongside your CAPM. And once you're done with the studies, go ahead and look out for a job as a role of project manager, right? In the project management space. Now, as someone who does not have any work experience, it is also possible that even after your MS or MBA and the CAPM certification, you still don't get a job that has a title of a project manager. You might be, let's say, a staff role in the project management office or a junior project manager or something of that sort, right? But I'd still urge you to start there itself. That is the starting point, and eventually you will end up becoming a project manager. So those are the two paths. I hope you also notice the fact that I didn't tell you to get yourselves a certification right now. If you want to get a job, then work on that job and then get a certification. If you want to get yourselves the MS or MBA, then do that and then get a certification, because a certification is not your ticket to land a job. You should either get yourselves a job or you should go into the master's degree that you are going for. In addition to all that, you can also pursue certification. So I hope I was able to clarify your doubts and answer the question that you had. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.